So, Your Honor, we are saying where the Constitution prescribes 24 hours, and then they come and seek 21 days, Your Honor, in real terms, they are seeking 504 hours, because each day has 24 hours, times 21, that brings us to 504 hours. Your Honor, that's a lot of time. In terms of constitutional measurement, Your Honor, we submit that is unreasonable. Because that was never the intention of the drafters of the Constitution. That's why they limited it to 24 hours. Why, Your Honor? They did not want abuse of the process. Now, I want to demonstrate why there is abuse in this case, Your Honor. There is malice. They wait until Thursday in the evening. And then they arrest the subjects. They know very well that the following day is Friday. They come up with a miscellaneous, strategically miscellaneous application to request for more time. Already, Your Honor, they know that by God's grace, they have Saturday and Sunday, which do not count. That means they want to ask from Monday next week. You can see obvious malice, Your Honor. Deliberately. You arrest on a Friday, you seek more time. Why didn't they arrest them on Wednesday? Kenya is a democracy. And in a democracy, we have freedom of speech. And I submit, Your Honor, that the subjects have freedom of speech to say anything they want, so long as they respect other people's rights. So, the state organs, particularly the DCI, should not be used to persecute the respondents just because of their perceived political views or opinions. That would be unconstitutional. If they have facts about any criminal act, they can provide evidence. And based on the evidence, the court can decide either to admit the charge or commence a trial. That is fair.